Interesting. So this is Camp Half-Blood.
You shall go west and face the god who has turned. You shall find what was stolen and see it safely returned. You shall be betrayed by one who calls you a friend, and you shall fail to save what matters most in the end.
I see. We must not waste any time then.
You don't have to tell me twice.
Come on, guys. Let's get out of here.
This place gives me the creeps.
Father, help me. Am I dead? Grover, get to the booth and turn on the high-pressure water.
On it.
Return the Master Bolt to Olympus, Hades.
You demigods really are foolish, are you?
What's he talking about?
I sensed its power as you entered this very room. Check your backpack again.
No, that's impossible.
Stoke your semi-die. I am not interested in that kind of power. Your stupid prophecy might have told you that I took the Master Bolt, but that was all a lie. I was never interested in the power that Zeus wields, but I know something else you're looking for, Jackson.
No. You tried to frame me for stealing the most powerful weapon in Olympus, making me the cause of another godly war. Seriously, what is your problem?
I am the
God of War, kid!
It's my common nature to cause destruction and warfare wherever I go.
Well, you know what?
Your path of destruction ends now!
I see. You have returned the Master Bolt back to me. I am impressed for a mortal such as yourself. Now, if you excuse me, clean this bolt from your mortal taint.
You did good, my son. You managed to prevent an entire godly war and return what was stolen. You will be able to rest easy now without all that weight on your shoulders. Go, return to your family, and enjoy the summer.
Thank you, Father.